Asteroid. Imagine this, a massive asteroid traveling at unimaginable speeds on a potential collision course with Earth. NASA astronomers have just revealed that the chances of an asteroid striking our planet within the next decade have doubled. It all started in December 2024, when astronomers scanning the skies detected a new asteroid. They named it 2024 YR4, and at first its probability of hitting Earth was calculated at just 1.3%. A small number, right? Well, in the world of asteroid tracking, that's already concerning. But then, things changed. Over the next few weeks, new observations revealed something unexpected. The asteroid's trajectory wasn't as stable as scientists originally thought. By early 2025, the estimated probability of an impact had jumped to 2.1%. That might still seem low, but in asteroid tracking, a 2% chance is huge. In fact, it's enough to raise alarms worldwide. To put things into perspective, let's talk about the Torino scale, a system astronomers use to rank asteroid impact risks. Most near-Earth objects rank as a 0, meaning no risk at all. But 2024 YR4? It's currently sitting at a 3 out of 10. That might not sound extreme, but it's rare for an asteroid to rank this high. It means 2024 YR4 is being closely monitored as a possible hazard, showing how it swings close to Earth before disappearing into deep space. One of the biggest challenges with 2024 YR4 is its unpredictable orbit. This asteroid doesn't just circle the Sun like Earth does. Instead, it follows a long, stretched-out path that takes it past Earth, then deep into space between Mars and Jupiter. The problem is that it is only visible for a short period of time. By April 2025, 2024 YR4 will vanish from view, and astronomers won't be able to see it again until 2028. That gives scientists a very limited window to gather crucial data before they lose track of it for 3 years. And that's exactly why NASA is working overtime. So let's ask the big question. What if 2024 YR4 actually collides with Earth? First, the numbers. The asteroid is estimated to be between 130 and 330 feet in diameter, about the size of a football field. Now, that's not big enough to cause a planet-wide disaster, but don't be fooled. This thing could still do serious damage. By early 2025, the likelihood of impact had increased to 2.1%. Now, that might still sound low, but in the field of planetary defense, a 2% chance is a big deal. To put it into perspective, most asteroids tracked by NASA have probabilities so small they're practically zero. So why is 2024 YR4 different? The answer lies in its unusual orbit. Most asteroids follow predictable paths, but 2024 YR4 has an elongated, looping orbit. It swings close to Earth, then drifts out past Mars and toward Jupiter. The problem? It keeps coming back. And here's where things get tricky. After April 2025, the asteroid will disappear from view for 3 years. That's right. We won't see it again until 2028. This makes right now the most critical time for astronomers to study it, because once it vanishes into the darkness of space, we'll be left with only projections and mathematical models. And as we've seen, those numbers can change. So let's talk damage. 2024 YR4 is estimated to be between 130 and 330 feet in diameter. That might not sound massive, but don't be fooled. History has shown us that even smaller space rocks can be devastating. Take the Tunguska event in 1908. A space object of roughly the same size exploded over Siberia, flattening 1,250 square miles of forest. That's nearly the size of Los Angeles. If 2024 YR4 were to strike Earth, the consequences would depend on where it lands. If it explodes in the atmosphere over an ocean, minimal damage. But if it were to impact near a major city, the results could be catastrophic. And that's why NASA is taking no chances. NASA is currently using its most advanced tools to track 2024 YR4. One of them? The James Webb Space Telescope, the most powerful space observatory ever built. Unlike traditional telescopes, Webb doesn't just see visible light. It detects infrared radiation, meaning it can measure the asteroid's true size and composition with much greater accuracy. But NASA isn't working alone. Across the globe, astronomers are keeping a close watch, tracking the asteroid's position night after night. We are tracking this object every night, refining its orbit, and ensuring that we have the best possible data. But tracking is only half the battle. What if, hypothetically, 2024 YR4 really was on a collision course with Earth? Could we actually stop it? Well, NASA has already tested a planetary defense strategy, and it worked. In 2022, the DART mission, Double Asteroid Redirection Test, deliberately crashed a spacecraft into an asteroid called Dimorphos. The result? The asteroid's path changed, proving that with enough force we can alter an asteroid's trajectory. If necessary, a similar mission could be launched to nudge 2024 YR4 away from Earth. But the key is early detection. The more time scientists have, the better the chances of success. YR4 isn't the only asteroid we need to worry about. Meet Bennu. Bennu is a massive asteroid, far larger than 2024 YR4, and it has a real chance of hitting Earth. The estimated impact date? 2182. And while that may seem far off, the potential consequences are on another level. If Bennu were to strike, it wouldn't just cause regional destruction, it could have global effects. That's why NASA has already sent a probe to study Bennu. The OSIRIS-REx mission collected samples directly from the asteroid, giving scientists crucial insights into its composition and how to defend against it. Here's the truth. While the risk from 2024 YR4 has increased, it is still more likely to miss Earth than to hit it. Right now, there's a 98% chance that it will pass safely by our planet, but the uncertainty surrounding its orbit means that we can't ignore it.